This video shows you how to install Eclipse for Windows. I've already downloaded the installer, so I'm going to go ahead and run the installer now. When the installer starts, you want to choose the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. If you haven't installed a JDK yet, so you haven't installed a Java development kit yet, the installer won't start, and it will tell you that you need to install a JDK first. So assuming you've gotten this far, go ahead and select the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. You can see here that it's found my installation of JDK. You can choose a different installation folder if you like. I'm going to leave it the same. You can choose to create a start menu entry and a desktop shortcut if you like. I'm going to get rid of the desktop shortcut and then click install. At this point in the installation, it's asking me if I should install some unsigned content. This is fine. And when your installation has completed successfully, you should go ahead and launch Eclipse to make sure it starts fine. And the first thing it's going to ask you is to create a workspace directory. So for the workspace directory, I recommend that you create a directory for the CISC 124 course somewhere. So under Documents, I already have a folder called CISC 124. I'm going to create a new folder in the directory, and I'm going to call it Workspace. And then I'm going to go ahead and launch Eclipse. When you start Eclipse in a new workspace, you'll end up on a welcome page. You can just click the workbench. We haven't created a Java project yet because this is the first time that we've used Eclipse. So I'm going to go ahead and create a Java project. For the project name, I recommend you use the course name. The rest of the options you can leave as they are. On this page, you want to unclick the create module info.java file. Modules are one of the organization mechanisms that were introduced in Java 9. We're probably not going to use them in this course. They're normally used for very large software projects. You can go ahead and click Finish, and there's your SYS124 project. That completes the video on how to install and start Eclipse for the first time.